Hey guys, welcome back. So what I'm going to show you how to do now is to set up different pages so that you can input it onto your footer because Google will not approve your product feed unless you have certain pages saved. Okay, like you have to have your contact us page, you got to have your refund policy, your terms and conditions, a whole bunch of different pages. So I'm going to show you how to set that up right now. Okay, so first thing you got to do, you got to go into your Shopify homepage and you're going to click on Google Shopping. Now you notice right here that it says create a refund policy, create terms of service, add contact information to your store. You have to do all of these things. So let's go ahead and create a refund policy and terms of service, and we'll do all that right now. We saved all of the scripts for you, and we put it into a document that we're going to provide you guys as students, okay? So you can just copy and paste it. All right, so it takes you here. So here's the coolest thing about it. It says refund policy. You just say, look, create from template. And you could just input what your return policy is. So for instance, for us, we don't do returns a lot of the times. So what we'll do here is you can go here, we find the refund policy, and you can just input that if you want. Or you can use that one if you want to use that one. What I would do is just customize it based on your store. All right, so look right here, returns and exchange policy. There we go. That's your shipping policy. Let's go ahead and highlight it. All right. Copy it. We go in here. All right, we can just paste that. So again, you can just create from template or you can use ours, either way. But notice here it says email our customer support at. You can just type in whatever your store is. You know, I am the most awesome.com. Okay, so you go through the entire thing here. All right, support at I am the most. It's actually amazing. .com. Oh. All right, privacy policy. You just create from template. Look, I am the most amazing.myshopify.com. Boom, it's there. It actually inputs it for you, so that's good. Terms of service, create from template. Boom, and we save it. Now we're going to go here to online store. And let's go to pages. Add page. What we're going to do is we're going to add a contact us page. Go here to our Google Doc. And we're going to find the contact us. I believe it's right at the top. There it is. Go ahead and put this here toll free at 000-333, boom, 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 boom. Email us at I am the most amazing at whatever mailing address 23333 3rd Street, Lost Wages, Nevada 888233, and save. Done. Okay, now we need to add a new page. So we just go through the list, guys. That's it. Do a privacy policy. Go in here. Select all of it. I know it's mundane, guys, but Google requires it. There we go. So we copy that, go here, and we paste it here. Now, you got to go through each of this and put in your website here. Now what we can do is copy that. And we scroll up through here, and we find the @ symbol. There it is. There it is. See if there's any more. No more. Boom. You save it. Go back here. Returns and exchange policy. Copy it. So we have to add these pages one by one. So we got that one added. Go back here to pages. Go to add page. Now we're going to do returns, exchanges. Paste it. What you want to do now is go through each of these. Support at iamazing.com. Copy it. All right, and we just keep putting it exactly where the emails are at. That's it, and we save it. All right, this is easier. Let's go down, just scroll down to here. Shipping policy. Go add page. Now we create a shipping policy. Paste. And just input your shipping policy. And we save it. And we go down here to terms of service. Actually, let's do it this way. So you're going to enter your site here. Put here as well. Okay, we had to edit that because that took forever. So I've highlighted all the terms and services now. I go back here and I go back to pages, and we're going to go ahead and add this page. Believe this is the last page, I'm hoping. Yep, it is. And that would be terms of service. All right, we paste it. I noticed something here. Go ahead and put your address there of your company, and then the support at I am the most amazing.com, and we're set. So you got to go through there and enter all of your email information, okay? So that, kind of sucks, but you got to do it. All right. So look at all these pages that we have set. We have a contact us page with our phone number, email, and our mailing address of the company, a privacy policy, a returns and exchanges, a shipping policy, and a terms of service. So all of these pages are set up now. So here's what we got to do. We got to put it onto the store. So let's go here to online store. Okay, we're going to go here to customize. So it's going to load up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this onto the bottom of the page. That way when Google checks it, they'll see that the information is there and they will approve our store. So we're going to go down here to footer. Okay, great. So here's the footer. Definitely show pin icons. Okay. All right, so notice how I went here to edit menu. Okay, so you click on edit menu, and what it does is it takes you into footer menu. Okay, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and add a menu item. So actually, I'm going to take away search here. Add menu item. Terms and conditions. Link. Okay, so pages. Terms of service. Add. Add menu item. Do this separate actually. Do shipping policy. And then shipping policy. Terms and conditions. Oh, didn't we do that one? Returns and exchanges. Here are pages, returns and exchanges. Next one will be privacy policy. Go to pages. Privacy policy and add. Great, now we can save that. Okay, menu saved. Go down here to footer. Now look right here, terms and conditions, shipping policy, right? So here's what we're gonna do here. We'll go ahead and remove. Newsletter, we'll go ahead and remove. Talk about your business. contact us. So all we do is we just do this. But the time, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, there we go. So we have terms and conditions here. Now you can go ahead and clean that up a little bit. You know, we can change it to where it's up and down. We have the contact us page, or you can just add the contact us as well to this portion right here. But the important thing is that you have contact us here. See, this is just, we haven't even chose the theme. So based on what your theme is, you're gonna make sure that, you know, you set it up that way. But just make sure that you have your terms and conditions, your shipping policy, your returns and exchanges, your privacy policy, and your contact us page on your website. And that's how you're gonna go ahead and do that. Now, that is pretty much it. You're all set. So just to recap, right? We went into pages and we created all of these pages. First, contact us, privacy policy, returns and exchanges, shipping and terms of service. We then went into our online store. We customized it. We went to the footer and we added a menu, right? Which took us to the navigation. And we added what the pages to the navigation, and then we added that to the footer. So that is all set now. You are all set as far as adding your pages. So the next portion will be connecting Google AdWords. So we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.